My brain is like all over the place today. My brain is working a lot quicker than my mouth. Sometimes that happens when you have ADHD. I'm like, ooh, mile a minute, ooh, squirrel. Okay. Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erica, and you are at the Lopsided Crafter. Grab yourself something to drink, sit back for a spell, and let's talk about all of our yarny goodness and creation. Hi guys, and welcome. My name is Erica. I am the crochet and knit designer, as well as indie yarn dyer behind the Lopsided Crafter. Thanks for stopping by. If you're watching this on YouTube, you will find all the information and pertinent links that I talk about below. If you are watching this on Facebook, it will be probably on the right now that they have changed everything. I just have a small little video today. Actually, I have a yarn haul from Knit Picks. Well, I actually got it from Hi guys, this is Future Erica. Future Erica after the recording was already done. What I'm about to say is probably not going to make a bit of sense. But let me break it down for you just a little bit before we jump into what I said. Yes, I am an indie yarn dyer, but sometimes you have a design in your head that cannot be or should not be or will not look right in a particular yarn, meaning the wool. Yes, I dye cotton, but I don't have worsted weight cotton. So therefore, the design that I have in my mind, I needed to purchase yarn for this design. So yes, this was yarn that I did purchase with my own money. This yarn was not provided to me by Knit Picks or We Crochet. Okay, now let's continue to the video. Okay. So you may be asking, you're a yarn dyer. Why are you still buying yarn from other places? Well, there is still a few things, as far as dyeing yarn and patterns that you may want to use a different yarn for. I've got an idea floating in my head, and I needed some kitchen cotton. And so I decided to get some yarn. So be on the lookout for that soon. So yeah, comes with their We Crochet card. They've got a little QR code, that kind of thing on the back. I just got a few colors because I have some already in the house, but what did I get? Well, I got dishy. My brain is like all over the place today. My brain is working a lot quicker than my mouth. Sometimes that happens when you have ADHD. I'm like, ooh, mile a minute, ooh, squirrel. Okay. So here we go. What did I get? Well, I'm so glad you asked. I got this beautiful yellow. This is the color Bumblebee. That's a very, very pretty yellow. These are 190 yards for 100 grams. It is considered a number 4 weight. They are 100% cotton. The recommended gauge is a US 7 or 8 knitting needle. Should give you 4.5 stitches per inch. And then it says with an I to a K crochet hook, should give you 11 to 14 single crochet in 4 inches. So I got 3 of the bumblebee color. I got 3 of, this is a new color for them. This one is called Jade. Isn't that pretty? It's a pretty shade of green. I thought that would look really good together. And then they recently came out with cones. So this one is called Azure. This one is 760 yards on the cone, 400 grams. It has the same makeup as far as your recommended needle and or hook size. It is still a number 4 weight, and it is still 100% cotton. I did not mention this earlier, but it says machine wash, cold, tumble dry, low. So yes, this is Azure. And then I also got Swan, which is kind of like an off-white. Not quite white, but not cream. So let's compare. Okay, let's compare a dishy cone with a regular peaches and cream. You can definitely see, I'm not sure exact what the yardage is, but I will make that pop up below. Hi guys, Future Erica here again. Sorry for the glare behind me, but I'm in my house editing this video. I needed to pop on here real quick and let you know that I was wrong. Lily Sugar and Cream is actually 400 grams and 674 yards. So that means that the Knit Picks cone is not only have more yarn per yard, but it's also cheaper. According to Joann's.com, a 400 gram cone of yarn, which is only 674 yards, is $15.99. Dishy, 400 grams, 760 yards, was $13.99. You do the math. Back to the video. You can definitely see that there's more on the peaches and cream. This is the typical one that you can buy at Joann's or Michael's. I even think, actually Michael's may not sell the cones. Joann's for sure. And maybe even Hobby Lobby and even Walmart. Walmart's, at least my Walmart sells them. Definitely more yardage. I want to say they were the same price. But working with Dishy in the past, I really enjoy working with it a lot better than this. So, yeah. That is just so, the peaches and cream is just so rough for the hands. I mean, they make great dishcloths, but the Dishy is so super duper soft. And as far as these little guys right here, these are $3.99, and they're just about the same price as your regular little ball of the peaches and cream. So I do like that. Now, they do not have every color in the cone. I don't know if that's something that they are going to be doing in the future, or maybe they are just putting their most popular colors on the cone. I'm not sure. But like I said earlier, I do have a design in mind that needed some cotton, but I really just, I don't want to use this for it. So these are the colors I believe that the design will have. Like I said, I've got a few more colors in the house. that may or may not be added to it. This one may be taken away. It may just be this. I'm not sure yet. But that is my little haul. Oh, you can hear the air. It's like a seashell. Anyway, that is my little haul from Nitpicks. Oh, I did not even notice this, so let me just mention this while I have not noticed this on any of the other. No, it's not on the yellow one. It's only on the green one, and I'm maybe guessing it's because this is a new color, and these were maybe on the previous batch. But the green does show that it is the Okotex standard. So that is a huge plus. So that means that, you know, it wasn't made with all the craziness, you know. So, any hoot. Yep. Tested for harmful substances, which is, you know, really fantastic because I have a good friend of mine that can't use big box yarns because of all the chemicals and stuff that are left in it. So that is fantastic that this is now Okotex standard and testing. I know that Premier does a lot of that with their yarns, so it looks as if Nitpicks might be headed in the same direction, which is fantastic. So yeah, anywho, I'm all over the place today. I have, like I said, ADHD brain today. I guess I should start filming earlier in the day instead of 6 o'clock in the evening because I can't seem to think and talk at the same time. Oh, this is going to be a crazy one. Oh, well, it is what it is. You guys are used to me by now. You know I am all over the place. Hi guys, Future Erica here again. I forgot to mention that if you have any questions or you would like to see a review on this yarn and you're watching on YouTube, let me know below. On Facebook, let me know over here to the right. And if you guys would be so kind as to hit that like button and subscribe button on YouTube and maybe pop a little comment, I'd appreciate it. And for YouTube, no, not YouTube, Facebook. Here I go squirreling again. And for Facebook, if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button, that share button, and maybe putting a little comment over there too, I'd really, truly appreciate it. I am trying to build up my Facebook page. So yeah, thank you. And here we go back to the video. Okay, guys, so until next time, happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy looming. I think that's all I say. Bye.